Today I will show you one of the best $200 robots I'm trading. It took me quite long to figure out exactly how to use it on a live account, but I found a simple way to trade it on a $1,000 live account, and it's already made 50%, and I will be withdrawing my profits. Before I show you the live account, let me show you the demo account that I have with Black Bull Markets, and the expert advisor is called Wall Street Recovery Pro. It is trading the euro dollar, the dollar Swiss, dollar yen, Aussie, CAD, and the Kiwi. And it's profitable on all of the currency pairs. This account I started back in May 2024. So it's been over a year. It was a $1,000 demo account. And you can see that after all of these trades, the profit is $1,461. So it doubled the account, but let me show you the track record so you will have a better idea. This one over there, I will drag and drop it on my recording screen and you will see what a smooth balanced line it has. If I show you the stats, you will see total return of 143%, average return of 5.9 per month, which is just great. The peak drawdown is 9.3 according to FX Blue, and you can see that it has pretty equal exposure between all of the currency pairs, but it's most traded on the dollar yen, and that is the currency pair I'm trading on the live account, but not because it is most active, but because it's the most profitable one. So what I do monthly is to check the stats and to check which is the symbol that is most profitable. And you can see that for the last 1 month it is the dollar yen, and if I clear the filter, so I will check the performance for the entire period, again the dollar yen is the most profitable asset. Actually, it's much more profitable compared to the Kiwi, which is on the second spot, and the euro dollar and the pound dollar, and that is why I am trading the dollar yen on the live account. Simple method. I trade all of the currencies on the demo account and I pick the top performer for my live account for the entire period and for the last 1 month, so it should confirm. And one more time, if I show you the last 30 days, again it is the dollar yen, and it's been always on the top, by the way. I'll remove the track record and I will show you the 1K live account that I started back in November 2024, and you can see that I started it with the dollar yen, and it's been trading only the dollar yen since the beginning. The total profit is 671, but after the cost is 491.60. And as you know, my target in the 1K accounts is 50% or $500. Now this is 491.60, and I'll be still withdrawing this profit because I remember the times when I was trading manually, it was the same thing. The price gets really close to take profit and sometimes it might not hit it and just reverse and you lose the profitable trade. So it's the same thing when you have a target in your algo trading account. It is very close. I don't care about a few dollars, so I prefer to take this profit to make sure I got it, and this way I avoid greed, which we've been discussing in the channel. So let me check the open trades. No open trades. I will disable algo trading. I will request the withdrawal, and I'll continue trading the dollar yen and this live account. Here it is. You can see there is a little bit of a drop. This was because of a negative swap. Let me show you the equity. So right here at the beginning there was a huge drawdown that recovered. You can see where is the 50% mark, and as you know, this is my stop loss. This is where I cut the losses if any of the expert advisors on my live account goes in a loss. But this time I was probably a little bit lucky. It recovered, and since then it's been very profitable. Just recently there was an equity drop from 1479 down to 1293, and it also recovered. I have 49.1%, but as I said, I'm not going to be greedy liquidity for 1%, so I'll withdraw the profits. The peak drawdown is 6.5% according to FX Blue, but I do believe this is the balance drop because of the negative swap during this time. Actually, let me show you those trades at the beginning of the year. It was in January. So right in here, we will see this negative swap. I'll check the swap column and here it is. So whenever a trade goes overnight, we pay a swap to the broker and the trades recovered. If I keep it this way, you will see that they recovered at the end of January 2025. So this should be somewhere in here. Yep, here it is. So the trade was opened on the 13th of December and it was kept until the 27th of January. This is why I paid this $37 swap and it was marked as a loss in the balance line. However, you can see that it starts trading with 0.01. If there is a recovery, it is with 0.05. And also from the inputs, I will show you that you can control how many recovery trades to have. I have set it to 3. So there is 1 trade and I allow it 3 more recovery trades. There are more risk money management settings. In this case, I use 0.5, but in a $1,000 live account, this is 0.01. On the website, you can follow the results from the live account. When you search for Wall Street Recovery Pro, here it is. You can see there is the track record and you can see that it's been trading for 254 days. If you want to pick another currency pair, not the dollar yen, maybe you're not a fan of this currency pair, you want to trade another one, you can follow the results on my Black Bull demo account and I'll leave a link to the demo account down below in the description because the demo accounts are visible only to the VIP users. So if I show you the track record and one more time, you will see the performance. Just click on stats, click on symbol and arrange them according to the net profit for the last 1 month or for the entire period. So you can use this account as a reference on which is the most profitable currency pair. And also I'll leave the link to Black Bull Markets, which are very suitable broker for forex trading because of the great trading conditions they have on the demo account as well as on the live account. They offer different platforms. Obviously for algo trading we need MetaTrader 4 or 5 and the broker is fully regulated. You can check that out on the bottom of their homepage. And let's have a quick look at the vendor's track record because it's quite different from mine and still interesting. So when I click on the Wall Street Recovery Pro, it will bring me to the vendor's website. Actually, they have a great promo that if you buy one, you get 1 EA for free. And on top of that, you can use the coupon Petko10 for a 10% discount on any of those expert advisors. And the Wall Street Recovery Pro has a real account. If I click on it, you will see that it made 30%. This account started in October 2024. And you can see that this account's been trading euro dollar and the pound dollar. The other one they have is with the dollar Swiss, and this one started in September 2023. It made just 28%, but you can see that there were no huge drawdowns, which is quite interesting. While with the euro dollar, with the recent moves in June, there was a huge drawdown of over 20%, still within my rules of 50% drawdown for live account, but you can see the difference when you're trading euro dollar, the pound dollar, the dollar Swiss and the dollar yen recently haven't made huge drawdowns. Probably the smartest thing with this type of EAs, and that's something we've been discussing recently with my team, is to put each currency pair into a different account. So this way we will not risk it all when there is a huge drawdown from one currency pair, because if they're all trading in one account, like with my demo account, it might blow because of one currency pair huge drawdown. But if you are taking low risk, if you limit the recovery orders, you saw that I have limited just to 3, then the chances of blowing the account are much lower. However, there is always risk when trading with expert advisors, guys. bear that in mind, and that's why I always suggest you first start on a demo account. Now before you go, check out this video on my site because it will show you a review of another expert advisor from the same vendor. I wish you safe trading. Thanks for watching until the end, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.